Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix your Bluetooth not pairing on the Google Pixel 10 Pro. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to go and open settings. Now we're going to go to connected devices, and here go to connection preferences, Bluetooth right at the top, and turn it off and turn it on. This is a quick restart. What are we going to do now is make sure that we unpair and repair our device. So let's leave these settings. As you guys can see here, we have media devices and I've got my AirPods paired. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the gear icon, click on forget, and click forget device. Now they're gone. And as you guys can see, these are the AirPods 3 Pros. So I just double tap the front case to enter the pairing mode. It's different for a lot of headphones. That's why I'm not going to show the pairing process, because it'll be basically pointless, because every single device is different. So all I'm going to show is how do I pair the device. So the pairing process itself, I won't show you how to do that on my headphones, but just make sure that your headphones are here. You press on them, click pair, and they should be connected into your device. If that does not work, what you guys want to do is go over and, as a last resort, update your software by going into System, Software Updates, and System Update. As you guys can see, I got the system update available, so I'm just gonna click on download and install and do it. Now, if it's still not working for you after the system update, what you guys want to do is go over and scroll down in the system to reset options, tap reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and it will reset all of those settings, like all of your devices. They will be unpaired and forgotten. Same for Wi-Fi, but it is the ultimate fix. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.